Hi there, students. It's great to see you. So, loud and clear. This can be either an adjective or an adverb. So, if something is loud and clear, it's easy to hear and it's easy to understand. So, the new message sent by the management was loud and clear. The new management, sent a loud and clear message to everyone. We heard them loud and clear. They told us loud and clear what we should do in an emergency. There's no need for you to repeat this. I can hear you loud and clear. So, the message came through loud and clear in a way that is very easy to understand. I read you loud and clear. Notice this read. This phrase, I think, comes from the use of walkie-talkies. I hear your message loud and clear. You could even say this with the mobile phone. It's okay, I can hear you loud and clear. But then we use this metaphorically. So you can hear somebody loud and clear. You can hear them clearly and loudly. But we now use this metaphorically. So the message of the book was loud and clear. So I said it loud and clear for everybody to be able to hear what I said. I could hear what they were saying in the next room, loud and clear. Let's see, very clearly. So can you hear me now? Can you hear me loud and clear? This is an adverb, although I think I'm always wondering, why is this loud and clear and not loudly and clearly? I think both loud and clear I hear you loud, I hear you clear. So it could be an adverb as well. The influence of the new president is felt loud and clear in terms of how many people are fanatical supporters of him. The influence of this new lady chef is felt loud and clear in terms of how many new lady chefs there are. This message will be heard loud and clear throughout the world. I hope this message will be heard loud and clear in Moscow as well. The image that the company projected was always came through loud and clear. Everybody understood it very clearly. So if you tell somebody something loud and clear, you are easily understood, either because your voice is loud and clear, or metaphorically because you express yourself very clearly. The warnings of management should be heard loud and clear, because otherwise we're going to be in trouble. The message must come across loud and clear, because if it doesn't come across loud and clear, there are going to be problems. Distinctly, intelligibly, clearly, in a straightforward way. I can hear you loud and clear. I read you loud and clear. The message came through loud and clear. I'm receiving you loud and clear. The message of the book came through loud and clear. The cruel voices are loud and clear. This is something that we should proclaim loud and clear. So loud and clear in a way that's easy to understand. The message came through loud and clear, as it should, in a clear, easily understood manner, both an adverb and an adjective. If a response to something has been stated with loud and clear, a response to something that's stated with intensity, it's intended to indicate that you understand the seriousness of the message. So I hear you loud and clear. just loud and clear. If you come home one more time after curfew, you're grounded for the rest of your life. Loud and clear, Dad. Okay, so loud and clear, distinctly, easily audible, easily understandable. So they told us loud and clear what to do in an emergency. So an idea, a message, an opinion is loud and clear. It's expressed clearly and forcefully. The message must come across loud and clear. Okay, so our views should come across loud and clear. I don't want them to pretend they haven't heard us. Okay, so said in a clear voice. The message of the book is loud and clear. Smoking kills. So loud and clear, plainly audible, plainly understandable, but emphatic. Formality, loud and clear. I hear you loud and clear. The message comes across loud and clear. 5, informality, use absolutely anywhere. Okay, so loud and clear. Bye for now.